Hey guys, in this video we are going to be working on multi-step conversions. We're going to be doing this in 3 steps. And the first step is to identify what units you need to convert. In our problem here we have Maya ran a 3-mile race. How many feet did she run? So we're going from miles to feet. Step 2, don't see a direct conversion? Pause and look on your conversion sheet. Do you see a way to go from miles to feet? If not, which you should not, then look for the units that will help you jump from the first unit to the last. Pause, see what you think is going to help you to go from miles to feet. Okay, you should look at your conversion chart and you should see that yards is going to help us. We can go from miles to yards, and then one of the conversions that you should memorize is our yards to feet. We like to jot down this order so that we can keep track. That's going to help us to convert fully. And now, in our third step, we're going to set up and solve our proportions. We're going to put our conversion rates on the left side for each proportion. We're going from miles to yards, and then from yards to feet. So I'm going to set up 2 proportions. On my top, I'm going to go from miles to yards, and I'm going to set this one up with miles to yards. And on our bottom, we're going from yards to feet. And that means on my right side, I'll have yards to feet. Just like any of our proportions, we want to keep our units lined up. As we said before, our conversion rates are always going on our left side. Pause right now. See if you can fill in both of these conversion rates. Miles to yards, and then yards to feet. Okay, you should have seen on your conversion chart that 1 mile is 1,760 yards. 1,760 yards. On our bottom, you should have memorized that 1 yard is 3 feet. You can fill in both of those just from looking at your conversion chart and from memorizing that 1 yard is 3 feet. So if 1 mile is 1,760 yards, just like any of our proportions, we're just going to scale this up. We don't care about 1 mile. We care about 3 miles. So in order to go from 1 mile to 3 miles, we know we're going to be multiplying that by 3. If we multiply the top by 3, we're multiplying the bottom by 3. And 1,760 times 3, you can pause the video now, and it is 5,280 yards. Okay, so we know that 3 miles is that many yards. But again, we don't care about yards. We care about how many feet. So we're going to take this 5,280 and we're going to put that right there. 5,280 yards, because that's 3 miles. And at the end of the day, we want to find out, well, how many feet is that? So it's a slightly bigger multiplication jump now, but you're going to multiply 1 times 5,280 to get our 5,280. You're going to do the same thing to the bottom, so times 5,280, and 3 times that is 15,840. Of course, this is a word problem, so please provide an answer sentence. So over here, I'm just going to write down, she ran 15,840 feet. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.